let's do a little process video on how I do my press-on nails. I also came across some airbrush gel on Amazon by Saviland. I think that's how you say it. So I'm going to use that. Right here I'm using the cat eye from How Am I, and I'll tag everything in the description, and some chrome flakes that came from AliExpress. I'm not going to lie. So after you do your cat eye, I did 2 coats, magnet activated them, and then I did the chrome flakes just into the dispersion layer or the sticky layer if you don't know how that works. I just put the chrome flakes there. After this, I'm going to add some Koopa matte gel top coat and cure because I am going to airbrush. Now, I prefer to airbrush on a matte surface. I feel like it just comes off smoother. And pro tip here, and make sure stencils last longer because you're not trying to stick your sticky stencils to a sticky surface, right? After you cure that, and that's the Saviland, they had a light blue, so I did a light blue on this set. I used the wavy line stencils that came with this stencil pack called the starter stencil pack from Glam Goodies. Like I said, I'll tag everything in the description. And then after I place the stencils like I wanted, then I'm going to go ahead and hit it with the airbrush. Now, this is an airbrush gel. I have used it before. I think they changed the formula because it doesn't smell as terrible as it used to smell. It used to smell so awful. Now, it's not as bad. I do not use it in my expensive hand pieces because with this one, it seems very sticky. Like you literally have to clean this out. You cannot let it sit in there. It will get gunky. And I don't know why that is. This, like I said, this is just a brand I'm trying because I got it off of Amazon. The smell is improved. It just still is very sticky. And I'm guessing it's because it's an airbrushed gel. And so gels tend to have solvents in them that evaporate over time. And with it being exposed to the air in a little cup, that probably just helps for it to evaporate faster. So I do not leave the salon with this in the handpiece. I cleaned it out thoroughly. I decided to add some stars on top because I thought it would just make it pop a little bit more. You got glitter, you got those wavy lines, you got some star action. Then when I hit it with the top coat, it's gonna be crazy. And wait for it. After this, I'm gonna show you the final look. Let me know what you think. So this is the final look. It's an après short square gel tip, some Helmo cat eye, and some Saviland airbrush with the starter pack stencils.